ShivaTube. So in this video we will be going to write the code for Quartz Scheduler. So let's get it started. So in this video we will be only creating the code snippet, like the structure of the application, like how and where we need to write the code and all those. So as in the previous video we discussed about these previous topics, like the flow diagram, prerequisites and use cases of this one, and introduction, right? So let's start. For the project setup we need to add these dependencies in our application. So let's get started with the create a new project. So this will be like a Spring starter project, and here it's already like Quartz demo I have created before, so I will be using the same. And here the dependencies I can use MySQL driver, Java mail sender, Spring Data GPA web and Quartz. So these 5 dependencies we need to add and I will be doing finish. So it's loading. So our project structure is created, right? So here you can see the src main Java and this properties file and all those like dependencies, JRA dependencies, Maven dependencies. So all you can see, this is the project structure. Now we will start adding the properties and all those. So as per this one, writing job store configuration. So this configuration is doesn't mean anything, we just need to store the data. How it will store the data? The Quartz scheduler, right? So that configuration we need to write, and how the email configuration and all everything. So I have already created here, so let me copy and paste this one. So this is I have pasted here, like a Spring data source URL, the URL to connect our local host where we are running our this MySQL, and data source username is root, and password I have kept empty. And this is Spring Quartz JobStore type, that is JDBC. We are using JDBC connection to store our data, and these all are like mail properties. This password I will be changing after publishing this. Okay, so once I publish this I will change the password. And this is the driver, most important. This driver is used to communicate between the JDBC and this Java application, right? So let's start this application first. So here you can see like we are getting Quartz demo. So database unknown database Quartz demo. So what we will do is we will just copy this one and we'll create one database, right? So we'll connect this one, and here we will create one schema Quartz demo. Okay, apply, close. So this Quartz demo is created, right? Now again we will rerun our application. So let's see what will happen now. See, this got started, but it again get down. So why it is getting down? The application is getting down because the application not able to find all the tables related to Quartz, right? So that table needs to be existed in our DB. So no worries, we will paste those table query and will execute. So I have already copied here, so we'll provide the link to copy this query. This is used to create the table. Okay, now in the same, like I will be pasting this one. First I will use demo, right? So all the tables is created, all tables are created, right? So here you can see these tables are related to Quartz Scheduler. So let's again rerun our application and let's see what will happen. So here you can see like our 8080 port, the application is running on and started Quartz demo application, right? So we are able to run our application, and whatever the related configurations also we did, and we also able to do like the executing the queries related to database and related to like schema. So everything we did, right? So these tables you can go through, like whatever the tables we have created, so those are used inside this Quartz application to insert the data, to update the data, to remove the data and everything. So this is overall like starting only. So we have created the structure of this application. In next video we will learn about to proceed with the coding task, like how these things will be created, creating job bin, creating trigger, job details, scheduler job using Quartz scheduler. So all these things we will be following in next video. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.